Alright, well there's the Forever Light that I'm calling this thing, and there's the circuit, and you can pause this video and read all the values off. And it's simple. It was nothing spectacular. I just kind of had some fun with that last video because of that song. I thought that was a neat song, so I kind of made the video go with the song, but there's no mystery here. This is a blocking oscillator. It's very similar to my old penny oscillator, except that I'm using these little polyacene battery cap things with a little solar panel out of one of those waving devices. And I've changed the values a little bit here on these two capacitors, which set up the timing of the LED. And then I'm using a couple of 39 microhenry chokes, and you can use all kinds of chokes here, or coils of wire, or whatever. This transistor I'm using here is a 2N4001, a 2N4401. You can use a 2N222 or a number of other NPN transistors. This is a little 1 megohm pot that has an on-off switch and a 100 ohm resistor here. And these are just things I had on hand, or I'd bought from Electronic Gold Mine. And then the LED, on my circuits, I run it down to the negative rail. It makes it brighter. But you can run it up to the base circuit here, like what Slider's doing, and it draws less. On the Bedini circuits, on the flyback here, they run it up to the positive rail, and they put a battery in the middle here, and then it charges on the way back to the positive rail. And you could do that with this. There's a lot of ways you can come off of the flyback right here, which is coming off of these, one of these coils is the flyback that makes the LED. And you can put a battery here and charge it, or you can go up like John Bedini does, put the battery here and go back into the positive rail. Or do it like Slider's been doing it, where you come into the base circuit with it. The LED will be dimmer. This little pot right here is this thing right here. I got this Electronic Gold Mine. It looks like a variable capacitor, and that was one of the kind of mysteries of that video. Was it looked like a capacitor, but it's not. It's a potentiometer with an on-off switch. And I just have this set so that the LED blinks at such a rate that you can see the blink, but it's not real noticeable. This actually ran down last night. It was off this morning, so I've got to set the blink rate lower to lower the amp draw on it. You could also add some more of these polyacene battery caps, or you could make a bigger solar panel like was what Slider's doing, so that you have more energy input to it. It all depends on joules of energy in versus joules of energy out. This is not an energy manufacturer. It just uses energy coming into it from the solar cell. But those are the two chokes right there that I got these Electronic Gold Mine. They were like $4 or $5 for $1. And all these parts here you can get from Electronic Gold Mine. Some of them you cannot get at your Radio Shack store, so you're not going to be able to build this from Radio Shack parts. You're going to have to hunt around for them. The little diode right there is a Schottky diode. It keeps the energy from flowing back from these little cat batteries back through the panel at night in the dark. But anyway, this little device, all it was it just was stuck on here with some double-sided tape like that, just to hold it on that board. Then I just put this cap thing on it, and now there's the magic box with the light, my Forever Light. So anyway, I just wanted to show this to people that want to build one of these things. This was not a mystery circuit. It was just kind of fun doing that video, and I got a kick out of it, and just called it my Forever Light. Thanks for watching.